Hello friends, welcome to my channel GSM Solution. If you want to learn more and new things about mobile software, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today I am share iPhone 6's iCloud bypass iOS13.5.1 on Windows PC. Input Checker 1 in bootable pen drive and go to BIOS setting and open Checker 1 in tool. Click Enter key. Now open Checker 1 and reboot your Apple device recovery mode. Click Start tab to jailbreak your Apple device. Your Apple device jailbreak task complete and open Windows PC. Open iCloud bypass Windows tool and input number 3 and then click Enter key. Click Next on screen. iPhone 6s iCloud bypass iOS13.5.1 Windows PC task done. Thanks for watching my video. Please support me, like, share and subscribe my channel.